Nakari.
And I'm the Kara Fan 3000.
And welcome back to the Nakari channel fan 10,000 BTCP. Today we're going to lead an Elephant and Piggy cult. And that's called Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems.
Okay.
Gerald, what do you want to do today? I want
Yes. A what? A boss liver hat.
Joe!
Are you okay?
I do not know. Joe! I could not stop sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Joe!
What if you try to sneeze more softly?
Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you.
What?
Then we cannot be friends.
Oh no!
Then we must be apart forever.
But Gerald?
No, do not speak. It is too late.
Stop! The car. Sorry, stop. Look, Piggy's ears are
Yeah. Okay.
Piggy's ears
Chew.
are
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Gerald,
What?
what does the question mean? Are you okay, Gerald?
No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Dud.
What's the dud? No!
Now start.
How like the pigs make you sneeze? How like the crabs make you sneeze? I think you have a cold.
A cold?
You are sick.
I am sick. Right. I am sick. Oh, thank you, thank you, Doctor. Piggy, great news. I have a cold.
Yeah, for you. Who's that?
That pigeon.
Nakari, look, Piggy's.
The end.
Look, Piggy's.
I hope you enjoy one of those stories. So if you want to visit Can I Play 2, just subscribe on our channel. Goodbye.